Here are our ingredients for making the Empanada Gallega de Xoubas, sardine empanada pie. The little baby sardines that we have here from a cannery here in Cangas. So now, Angie, we're ready for putting in what? What's the next ingredient?
The Albarino wine.
Okay, let's get the Albarino from our friends at Marquesa Vitoja. Their wine is called Torre la Moreira. It's the name of their big pathel, their manor house there, and it's 100% Albarino, monovarietal of the Rías Baixas appellation of origin. And there we go, with liquid gold inside there.
Con su gato, cada gato con su rato, cada can con su gato, cada gato con su rato, cada rato que su espiga, cada espiga con su grau, cada rato que su espiga, cada espiga con su grau.
Here it is now, the result to get going in the oven now. Oh, well, we're all done. We finished our empanada pie. Well, Angie's finished it. Look at this final result. It just looks beautiful. Now we're ready to dig into it and enjoy with our, what type of wine, Angie?
Albarino.
Yeah, Albarino from the Rías Baixas. So we're going to enjoy our dinner now. So join us next time on another cooking tour, and we'll have a good time together cooking and learning new desserts or meals, starters, everything. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.